In this video, I'm going to show you how to add buttons in Framer. Start by opening your project. Once you're in, press the F key on your keyboard, then click and drag in the area where you want your button to appear. This creates a frame, which will serve as the base of your button. After the button is placed, select it, and the Properties panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. The first thing you should do is set up its link. Click on the Link field, and if you have multiple pages in your project, they will be listed here. You can choose any of these to redirect users within your website. Alternatively, you can enter a full URL to link to an external site. You'll also have the option to specify whether the link should open in a new browser tab. Next, scroll down to set the dimensions of your button by adjusting the width and height. Continue scrolling to the Style section, where you can change the background color, add a border radius to smooth the corners, and apply shadows for visual depth. Once your button's appearance is finalized, click inside the frame to add text. After entering your text, click on it to open text-specific settings in the Properties panel. Here, you can increase the font size, change the text color, adjust the weight, and even choose a specific font style that suits your design. You can make additional refinements using the same panel. After customizing both the visual style and text settings, your button will be complete and ready for interaction. That's how you can add buttons in Framer.